How to freeze screen in Power Director. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So now we're in this home section. This is the place where you can find different tools and even create a new project. Here on the left top, tap on New Project. Now select the video that you want to edit. So here I'm tapping on one. Now we're in this editing platform. This is the place where you can edit and make different cuts to your video. Now select the clip that you want to edit. So here on the bottom, you can find different tools available. Simply swipe right until you find tools. Tap on tools and here select freeze frame. Simply tap on it. Now you can select the portion or the clip that you want to freeze, and it's all set to go. So you can easily edit and find the place that you want to freeze, and it's all saved. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.